cheese and you can take your time with your food and after you know?
See this here? What's up guys, welcome to Ocho Rios Falls. You know, just to share the experience with you guys, we're gonna
more to share and subscribe.
Share and subscribe. This is my friend from Canada just come in 2 days ago. You know, see everybody march out, you know. And just for sure, no, how real the experience is. Look behind me. See there? But as soon as we reach the falls, we make gonna see what I go on. You understand? So just give it a few minutes. Alright, so I actually forgot my ID and everybody else have them ID except me, so we just wait until we get the approval to see if we might pay less or I might have to pay the foreigners price, which is 3,500. But if not, I might just pay $1,000 and just go in, and then we can just see the rest of the amenities that Ocho Rios have to offer. So as soon as we reach inside, we'll let you guys see what's going on, right?
Where you from?